Hello guys and welcome to another brand new video. Before we move ahead, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel, which will definitely boost our confidence to make more valuable sports videos for our valued viewers. Now let's jump into today's video. Valentino Rossi or Marc Marquez? There has been a never-ending debate on this topic and the fans seems to be divided in opinion. However, today we have compiled the data for the first 127 races of these two living legends, which will enable you to decide for yourself and crown the GOAT. As Marquez has raced in 127 MotoGP races so far, so we limit our data and info to first 127 races. This is just data, and many other factors do count in assessing the greatness of the riders. We leave that up to you. So watch this video in a good spirit, as most of the time data don't lie. Do comment in the comment section below and provide your feedback.